Also discuss natin tong limit problem, no? Okay. So find the limit as x approaches 0 of quantity 1 plus tangent x, quantity raised to cosecant x. So una mong gagawin dyan, syempre direct sub muna, no? So upon direct substitution, we have 1 plus tangent 0 cosecant 0. So itong tangent 0, that is 0, right? So we have 1 na lang raised to ano yung cosecant 0, that is infinity, right? So meron tayong 1 over infinity, which is an indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So ibig sabihin, hindi na siya ma-solve using direct sub, no? So gagamit tayo ng ibang method, no? So usually kapag ka 1 raised to infinity, ganito yung ginagawa, no? First, let natin as y. Okay, y yung limit natin, no? Y equals, okay, kumbaga yung y, siya yung answer dun sa ating limit. So limit as x approaches 0 1 plus tangent x is to cosecant x. Okay, now get the ln of both sides. Okay, ganito yung steps. Ln lny is equal to, ito magiging limit as x approaches 0 magiging cosecant x ln ng 1 plus tangent x. Okay, now bakit yung cosecant x sa baba na? So diba, if we recall, if we have ln ng a raised to b, equal lang yan sa b ln a. Okay, so kung baga yung b, pwede mo siyang ibaba, diba? Kaya yung cosecant x natin nasa baba na siya, no? Now, diba, ang cosecant x equal siya sa 1 over sin x. So pwede natin ito i-rewrite as the limit as x approaches 0 ng ln 1 plus tangent x all over sin x. Okay, notice na kapag nag-direct sub tayo, we have ln ng 1 plus tangent of 0, that is 0, all over sin ng 0, that is 0. We have ln 1 over 0, which is equal to 0 over 0. Okay, ibig sabihin yan, indeterminate form pa rin siya, pero hindi na siya indeterminate form na 1 raised to infinity. Indeterminate form na siya in the form na 0 over 0, which is pwede natin magamit yung L'Hopital's rule. Okay, kasi pag 1 raised to infinity, hindi applicable yung L'Hopital's rule doon, no? Pag ganun na indeterminate form. So we have lny is equal to limit as x approaches 0. Now, ano yung L'Hopital's rule? Sa L'Hopital's rule, pag indeterminate na 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity, i-differentiate mo lang yung numerator and denominator. Okay? So first thing, differentiate mo natin yung numerator. Ano bang derivative ng ln 1 plus tan x? Okay? So diba, ang derivative niyan, pag may ln, derivative muna na nasa loob. Ano ba yung nasa loob natin? 1 plus tan x. Ano bang derivative ng 1 plus tan x? Derivative ng 1, 0. Derivative ng tan x, that's secant squared. X, then divide natin nung nasa loob na function, which is 1 plus tan x. Okay, ganyan tayo mag-derivative kapag kami ln. Okay, then next, derivative naman nung ilalim, which is sin x. Simply, that is cosine x. Right, so times cosine x. Okay? Now, after mo perform yung L'Hopital's rule, kinuha mo na yung derivative ng numerator and denominator, try mo ulit mag-direct sub. Okay? So, we have, direct sub ulit tayo. So, secant squared of 0, 1 plus tangent of 0, times cosine 0. Okay? Saan equal yung secant squared ng 0? Equal yan sa 1. All over 1 plus tangent of 0, that is 0. All over cosine ng 0, that's 1. Therefore, we have 1 over 1, or simply 1. But notice, this is equal to ln y. Okay? Ano bang kailangan natin hanapin? Yung y, right? Y lang kasi. Ayun yung doon natin sinet yung original limit natin equal, okay, sa y. Therefore, para ma-solve natin yung y, kunin mo lang ln at i-raise mo lang sa e both sides. Okay? So we have e raised to ln y is equal to e raised to 1, or simply e. Pagka-cancel yung e at saka ln, therefore, ang final answer natin ay y is equal to e. Okay? So, sabihin, yung sagot sa ating limit problem ay simple e. Okay? So, ganun lang siya, no?